The fact that we've got a record number of exhibitors is a great endorsement. And in terms of the record numbers of attendees, it's a reflection that people see the value in it and they're coming back time and time again.
This year's been fantastic. We've been really busy.
Over the years, it continues to grow and get better and better. So we're seeing more and more people attending the show.
We have had record numbers with the pre-registered attendees. Quite a few come through, and it's been awesome to talk with them.
Outstanding setup. All the equipment. You want one of everything. And the exhibitors are doing a great job, and some of their stuff just blows your mind.
I think it's unreal. You know, I've been talking to so many different companies.
I've been very impressed with the actual scope.
Have a chat, look at some new products. It's a really good opportunity for us to be here, answer questions, show our products, get to know what they're looking for, how we can support them.
To have everyone congregate to one place, it's a fantastic day, and
Got some really good leads and some really good trials happening.
great way of catching up with a lot of people in one hit.
Yeah, it's just good to have everyone in one place.
We've actually been able to connect with people in the industry.
We've built the seminars and the educational aspect to what we've done, so I couldn't be happier with how it's gone today. There's lots of engagement with a lot of local councils this year.
This year's Expo is amazing.
The show's been very positive. Here we get a mixed bag of all our different types of customers.
Probably the best show that you could ever attend.
Engagement's been probably the highest it's ever been.
We've had a lot of customers, operators, contractors.
Yeah, it's a great day.
We'll be back next year for sure.
Full intention to come back next year.
I've enjoyed it. Really enjoyed it.
Would we come back again? Absolutely would.